share with other students. Okay, use it. I posted it. Use it. So let's talk about measurement errors. Okay. So again, I'm going to take a break about 11:30. Right. So measurement error. It's extent to which is variable. There are two kind of difference in the score. First one is the variables themselves exhibit real difference in properties being measured. So this is something that we want to achieve. Okay, so we want to make sure that the variable has to be different by different people. Okay, but measuring process influence the score. This is something we like to avoid. So this we call it the measurement error. Okay. So different score that are due to anything other than the real difference are termed as a measurement errors. So we have some errors that we will have to avoid it. Okay. So common source of measurement error. The scores obtained may not be related to the attribute of research intended measure. So score that you get it come from the error or systematic error that is made with measurement process. Okay? Maybe health or mood of respondent might be affected. And different in setting. And difference in administration measuring instruments. Okay, for example, in the field survey, we cannot control those conditions of respondents so that they might cause the error. Okay? And different people interpret measuring instruments different ways because of the level of attentiveness are all different. And also common method bias. The bias where you can actually get it when dependent variable and independent variable are measured at the same time. We call it cross-sectional study. Okay? That is something that we like to avoid it, and I'm going to tell you how to avoid it today and tomorrow. Systematic and random errors. So systematic error is the error that could come into all findings, and the random error could be found in individual each instance. So random error could be addressed when we take a larger sample. So that is something that we could ignore. But systematic error that we can actually measure the property of the survey response can be addressed with some of the techniques that I'm going to tell you. Okay? One of the most important questions when you actually do survey, same thing with doing experiment. When you do experiment, you still do some survey. It's called